Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll discuss the symptoms of a bad fuel pump. A fuel pump is an electric device responsible for delivering fuel from the gas tank to a vehicle's engine. Imagine a human heart. Just as it pumps blood to all the body parts, the fuel pump pumps fuel to all the parts of the engine. Without a properly functioning fuel pump, the engine will not receive the fuel it needs to operate. Much like the body cannot function without a properly functioning heart. So, what are the dangers of a bad fuel pump? A failing fuel pump can cause the engine to stall or shut off completely, leaving you stranded. A bad fuel pump may force the engine to work harder to compensate for the lack of fuel, leading to increased fuel consumption. If the pump isn't properly regulating the fuel pressure, it can cause fuel to leak or overflow, leading to a fire explosion. Now, what are the common symptoms to look out for? Whining noise from the fuel tank. When the vehicle is running, a failing fuel pump produces a high-pitched whining noise from the fuel tank. Loss of power. A failing fuel pump causes a loss of power when the vehicle is under a heavy load or climbing a hill. Engine sputtering. If the fuel pump fails, it can't provide enough fuel to the engine, causing it to sputter during acceleration. Unable to start the car. If the fuel pump isn't working properly, it's difficult for the engine to start and shuts off when the vehicle is idling or at low speeds. To sum up, here's a quick tip on how to fix the issue. If you notice the above symptoms, take your car to a professional mechanic to be checked and diagnosed. Fixing a bad fuel pump involves replacing the entire pump assembly. Thanks for watching.